Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick get ready with me video. I'm getting ready to go to a wedding and I live quite far from it, so it's going to be a quick one. But anyways, you guys are going to see my everyday foundation, which I absolutely love. This is my summer foundation because I'm very tanned and obviously it's too dark for me to wear in the winter. But anyways, we're going to get right into it. Before we do that, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Belle. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you're already subscribed, then thank you for coming back and I hope you enjoyed this video. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tammi Revolution palette. Excuse me, bloody hell, I think I'm coming down with a cold. I did use it in my last video, but obviously I didn't show you guys because I reviewed the foundation instead. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So just before we get right into that, I'm just going to quickly prime my eyes off camera to save time. So I've just primed my eyes. I'm going to go right into the eyeshadows. I'm going to hold it upside down because it has a mirror in it. Reflections hurting my eyes, but I'm going to go in with this transition shade right here. Such a lovely colour. I have used this palette before, as I mentioned. I used it in my last video and it is quite pigmented. So I'm just going to go into that. These shadows do feel really nice and I do like the fact that they are pigmented. It was only £10 literally, and I think for that price it's actually really good. So that's my crease colour on. Next colour I'm going into is Isle of Spice, which is at the bottom here. I like that they have soft shades in here. You can do an everyday look with this, which I like as well. Just going to go down and build it into the crease, which will give it just a little bit of depth. You can see there's a bit of kickback here, but good thing I'm doing my eyeshadow before my foundation, so that obviously doesn't ruin it. So I'm just going to go into this shade here, which is called Adventure. This is the darkest brown in the palette, just to build it up a little bit more. I don't want to do anything too heavy. Anyways, I don't have time to spend on this anyway because I'm in a bit of a rush. So that's that there. I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines with the other brush that I used for my transition. And I'm going to go in, oh, these two shades are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure which shade to choose out of these two. Probably can't see it well. These two. Absolutely gorgeous shades. I think I'm going to go in with the darker one first, which is called, I'm going to go in with Enchanting first on my lid, all over, and then I'll probably go in with the colour next to it after, just on the centre. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is such a nice colour. Pigmentation's really nice as well. I like this. I like this a lot. That's really nice, I like that. I didn't even have to put Fix Plus or anything, that is gorgeous. And the next shade I'm going to go in with is Burning Heat, which is this shade here. Oh, that's lovely, I like that a lot. That's great. That is bloody great. So I've just put my lashes on, my eyes are all done. We'll get to the lower lash line a little bit later. I'm just going to move on to my face. I've already primed my face with the Bodyshop matte primer. I've had this one for quite some time, but this is it here. Sorry if you can't see that properly, but anyway, that's that. And the foundation I've been absolutely loving is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation, which is already a popular one. The shade that I wear for summer is shade 12, as I said, because I am a little bit tanned. I'm just going to go right into that with a beauty blender. I'm going to start off with 2 pumps for now. I probably may go in with another one a little bit later, but let's just start off with 2. I just love the pigmentation in this. And it's such a light, ultra light foundation. Honestly, it's really nice. Oh, look at that already. It might look like it's a bit orange on camera right now, but once it dries down and settles in, it doesn't show up like this. I just love look at the natural glow it gives. Just a natural finish, literally. Obviously the Beauty Blender has given it a bit more of a flawless look. But to be fair, I was actually a little bit more tanned. I think it's worn off a little bit, but it's still okay. I'm just waiting for winter to come so I can wear my other shades. I did get the Too Faced and Jackie Aina foundation, and I literally thought Chai would be completely fine, but that's more of a winter shade, so I should have gone with Spiced Rum. But because obviously I already have other foundations that I can wear for now, I just stuck with Chai. I haven't sent it back, so that will be one that I'll be wearing in the winter, which is great as well because I have combination skin, but my skin does get a bit dry in the winter, so I can wear that considering it's a really, really moisturising foundation. I do apologise if I sound a bit croaky. It's really early in the morning, so I've literally just got up really early. My favourite concealer combo recently has been the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. Because I didn't like this on its own, it's just a textured formula, I don't like it. I mix it with my NW40 Pro Longwear, which I can wear alone in the winter, but in summer I can't, so I need a bit of that golden undertone, so I'm just going to mix these two together. Oh, it's really running out, bloody hell. Do you know what, they barely give you much in there, it's so annoying. Barely, look at that, there's literally barely coming. I'm literally scraping the tube, mate. Bloody hell. Literally scraping that. Oh. And it dries really fast as well. I don't like that, it dries too fast. I just really like the combination together. And obviously the MAC Pro Longwear, I just love the formula. Such a good formula. And my eyes are really sensitive, so even when they get watery and, you know, any tears drop or whatever, it's completely fine. It doesn't crease or anything like that, so I love it for that. This foundation, honestly, it just goes so well with any concealer. I love this foundation. If you haven't tried it out, I'll definitely recommend it. And Lancome obviously have a variety of shades as well, so you don't have to worry about not getting the right shade. I'd probably say to go into the store to get it. I went into Knightsbridge to get a shade match because my chest was kind of reading two different undertones, but this was the one that I got and I kind of like it. It works out fine because even if it is like a bit too golden or anything, my concealers balance it out. So it just works out in the end. So I'm just going to set my face with the Rcma Original Powder. I've been loving this powder. This is literally what I use to set my concealer all the time. Yeah, what do you think? And last but not least, the lips. Now, guys, the Fenty Beauty Expresso Matchstick really came handy for me because I've been using this as a lip liner. And I love it. I absolutely love it. It's literally the perfect brown shade for a chocolate girl. And what I usually like to do is I just like to go into the centre with some concealer just as a base to help the lip product last a bit longer. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to go with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi, but obviously I will be mixing up the colours on my lips anyway. So this is again just a base. And just on top of that, I'm using this lipstick. It's a luminous beige lipstick. 742 by Maybelline, and it's literally run out, guys, but I love this on top of nude lips so much, so I literally just go with a brush. And last but not least, my absolute favourite lip gloss of all time is the MAC Oh Baby lip gloss. It does last a while as well, which I absolutely love, so after all that food I'll still have something for my lips. Oh, look at that. I just like putting it in the centre. Such a gorgeous lip gloss. So this is the finished look. I'm about to hurry up, get myself out of this door so I can make it to the wedding. The worst thing is being late. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below as well. Let me know what you think, guys, if you want me to do more makeup videos, etc, etc. Don't forget to subscribe before you exit this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!